Mustang Coupe.
Obviously, he's done that a lot. That was cool. Thank you for actually doing that for us, just to demonstrate it.
Short work of cleaning out a room like this.
Yeah.
Moving stuff around the hallway.
Yeah.
It's,
oh, Eric's got it going on, man. There you go. Back to the Cobra. That was just a cool demonstration from Eric moving that T-Bird over there. That was pretty cool. And this is a really fun car to drive. Any of you who have owned one, I've driven one before. And this is the Ford Mustang SVT Cobra Special Vehicle Team, orange, 33.9, 2004. Over here at Classic Auto Mall. And there you go. Paint's in perfect shape. I can't see any flaws in the paint at all on this car. I don't see any flaws. And you know this car is fun to drive. And then you let the wind blow through your hair. Maybe not my hair, but if you have hair, it will blow through it.
You probably turn that off.
Turn what off?
The square boxes.
No, yeah, it's like we got square boxes going on. This facial recognition is like working all the time.
Well,
Big brother.
That's why most people call us blockheads.
Ba-dum-bum. That's funny, Ed. He's getting funnier all the time. All right, it's time to talk about AC Cobras. None of these are original, right? Are these all tributes? The original one's not in here, is it? I got a video of it from the auto show. It's not in here. These are all tributes, yes? Maybe?
Yes.
Yes? All right, we're gonna show some tribute AC Cobras, and I'll probably also put this video on MustangMedic, another channel that I have because I have a lot of channels and I want to separate Cobras from Mustangs. So this will also be on MustangMedic, but it's also being MustangMedic if you want to apply there, not apply. If you want to sub that, great, but you can watch it here. Here they are. Enough talking from the guy that talks too much. If you're steady watchers of MustangMedic, you saw the original Cobra on the Philadelphia Auto Show 2019. That's a playlist. If you guys want to watch it, I think it's like 31 videos. Check it out. And if I recall, there's a link up in the corner right now that I did. I didn't do it. Remind me, and I'll add a link to that playlist. But here is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous little 427 AC Cobra. And it's definitely a tribute car. There's a proper way to say it. Some people say things in other ways, but I call it a tribute car. And this is a fun car to drive. 4-speed, reverse, fire extinguisher. This bar, which is supposed to save your life if you roll over, you just can't swing your head left or right. You gotta